Configuring networking and security with NSX-T. VMware NSX-T is a powerful software-defined networking (SDN) platform that provides advanced networking and security capabilities for multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environments. Unlike traditional networking, which relies on physical hardware, NSX-T abstracts networking into software, enabling automation, scalability, and enhanced security across cloud and on-premises infrastructures. In this lesson, we will walk through the key steps of configuring networking and security with NSX-T, including logical networking, routing, microsegmentation, and firewall policies. Step 1. Understanding NSX-T networking architecture. NSX-T provides a distributed networking architecture, eliminating the need for traditional VLAN-based configurations. Instead, it uses logical switches, routers, and distributed firewalls to create a flexible and scalable network. The three core networking components in NSX-T are: 1. Overlay networking enables virtual networks that span across different physical locations. 2. Tier 0 and Tier 1 gateways manage routing between workloads and external networks. 3. NSX Edge nodes provide services like NAT, VPN, and load balancing. With this architecture, organizations can seamlessly connect workloads across private and public clouds while ensuring high availability. Step 2. Creating logical switches and segments. Logical switches in NSX-T replace traditional VLANs by creating network segments that virtual machines can connect to. These segments provide isolated communication between workloads without requiring complex physical network configurations. To configure a logical switch in NSX-T, 1. Navigate to networking segments in the NSX Manager UI. 2. Click Add Segment and choose the transport zone. 3. Select an uplink interface and configure VLAN settings if needed. 4. Assign an IP subnet and DHCP settings for dynamic address allocation. 5. Attach workloads like virtual machines or Kubernetes clusters. With logical switching, workloads can communicate within the same segment efficiently while remaining isolated from other networks. Step 3. Configuring NSX-T distributed routing. NSX-T provides Tier 0 and Tier 1 routers for managing routing across cloud and on-prem environments. Tier 0 gateway connects the NSX-T environment to external networks and the Internet. Tier 1 gateway handles routing between different logical segments. To configure NSX-T routing, 1. Navigate to networking Tier 0 gateways and create a new Tier 0 router. 2. Configure BGP or static routes to establish communication with external networks. 3. Create a Tier 1 gateway and link it to the Tier 0 gateway. 4. Attach logical segments to the Tier 1 gateway to enable inter-segment communication. With this setup, workloads can efficiently communicate across different segments and external networks without requiring traditional hardware-based routers. Step 4. Implementing microsegmentation and security policies. NSX-T's distributed firewall, DFW, provides microsegmentation, allowing organizations to enforce security policies at the VM level. This prevents unauthorized lateral movement of threats within the data center. To configure microsegmentation, 1. Navigate to Security Distributed Firewall in NSX Manager. 2. Define security groups based on VM attributes, IP ranges, or application tags. 3. Create firewall rules to allow or block traffic between security groups. 4. Apply Layer 7 security policies to filter traffic based on applications and protocols. 5. Enable logging and monitoring to track security events and policy enforcement. With microsegmentation, organizations can protect workloads at the network level, reducing the risk of cyber threats and data breaches. Step 5. Configuring load balancing and VPN services. NSX-T includes built-in load balancing and VPN capabilities to ensure high availability and secure remote access. To configure an NSX-T load balancer, 1. Navigate to Networking, Load Balancers, and create a new instance. 2. Define a virtual server and associate backend pools. 3. Configure health checks to monitor application availability. 4. Apply SSL termination and session persistence settings. For VPN setup, NSX-T supports IPsec and SSL VPN for secure connectivity between remote sites and cloud environments. Step 6. Monitoring and optimizing NSX-T networks. Once NSX-T is configured, it's essential to monitor network traffic, detect anomalies, and optimize performance. VMware provides NSX Intelligence and VMware Aria Operations to gain insights into network behavior. T. 1. Use NSX Intelligence for real-time traffic analysis and anomaly detection. 2. Enable flow monitoring to visualize network interactions. 3. Analyze firewall logs to detect security violations. 4. Optimize routing policies based on traffic patterns and application requirements. By continuously monitoring NSX-T, organizations can ensure security compliance, improve network efficiency, and quickly respond to threats. Final thoughts. VMware NSX-T transforms networking and security by enabling software-defined networking, microsegmentation, and automation. By leveraging logical switching, distributed routing, and advanced security policies, organizations can create a scalable, secure, and highly available cloud infrastructure. Let's continue.